Okay guys, today we are playing Brookhaven. Let's go. We are back at it again. Today we are playing Brookhaven. Yeah. Today we are gonna become the spy Roblox. Wait, let me see the update. Check out special media links on our games page. What? I don't. It's an update, I guess. I don't know. Okay, guys. Today we are gonna try to find some editors and just make their day a lot worse. Okay, I'm gonna go on there. Bye. Let's go, brother. Imagine you're late to work and you see that the road is closed because of this. Look how good I'm doing. Let's go. Bro, get in the freaking car. Let's go. Bro. Bro, freak it. I love you now. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go back to the spawn. Wait a minute. Is that the girl? Oh, hell no. Wait a minute. That is a girl. From the last video when I was playing with my friends. She was terrorizing the shit out of me. Wait a minute. We need to... Wait, I'm gonna hide right here. Oh, fuck no. Is she? No, she is. Yeah, we're good. Wait, I'm probably dead, yeah. There's nothing I can do about it. Just hide. I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna hide, guys. I'm gonna hide. Hopefully she doesn't catch me. አቫታሬን ቀይሬያለሁ። ቤቴን ቀይሬያለሁ። ልብሴን ቀይሬያለሁ። እባክህ ቤቴ አይደለም፣ ዝም ብዬ ከተማ ላይ ነኝ። Guys, where is she? Where is she? Wait, guys, I'm gonna... Let's go. Yeah, right here. Okay, guys, hopefully she doesn't find me. I don't know, she just a weird... Why are you doing that? Why is she doing that, bro? Who is she? Guys, she will never find me. She will never find me. Wait, I'm gonna go hello. She will... Because... Oh, fuck no. How did she know? Pill? What's pill? Bruh. You're saying pill. Please, what? Wow. I like... What? Hashtag? What am I trying to say? You are bad. You are bad. You are bad. bad. You are bad. No? Yes. Hey, Una, I'm gonna run. She will never know. Muhahaha, she will never know. She will never know, bruh. I'm gonna change my outfit again. Wait. Okay. First, I'm gonna do this. The fuck? Who is she? Nah, hell no. I'm gonna hide right here. I'm gonna hide right here. She will never know. Oh fuck no! Wait. Yeah, I'm dead. Run. Fuck. I'm gonna respawn. LOL. LOL, I respawned. She will never. Who is this girl? Let me in. She will never find me. I am with this girl. Okay, guys. Mission successful. He will never find me like this. Guys, I'm kinda lagging. Why can't I move? I can't move. Guys, how are you guys today? Don't forget like and subscribe. Can someone kill me? Okay, I will kill you. Hi, how are you? I'm gonna run. Bro, أنت اللي راسي تكون تارجو. Bro. He's doing another girl. I'm gonna run, baby, run. Run for it, baby, run. I'm gonna run. She's bullying another boy. LOL. Rest in peace, that boy. I am running, bro. I am running. Hi, it is me. LOL. I'm gonna run. I'm gonna go in the water. LOL. Hi. I'm gonna go in the water. እዩ እንዴት እንዳለው ታውቃለህ እንዴ? I'm gonna go in the water. Bye. I'm running. አንተ ውሃ ውስጥ የገባውን አይተሃል? መኪና ነበርክበት እንዴ? ማን ነው ግን ታውቃለህ እንዴ? እስካሁን ይሄን ሴት እኮ ነኝ። ይኸው ሴት እኮ ነኝ። የዘለልኩ ነኝ። You'll never catch me. Guys, don't forget like and subscribe. I'll end this video today here. I'm Rocco Roblox and I'm out.